Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. Come and create this chalky layered nail leaf set with us. So first we're just going in with a layer of Snow White. Curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds before going in with the second coat of Snow White. Now we're going to go in with some coloured acrylic powders. This is the colour Kryptonite. Going in with a fluffy brush, picking up some of the powder and dabbing this onto the cured Snow White gel polish. Going in with Caribbean Sunsplash. And again, picking some of the colour up with the brush and dabbing it into the nail. Now the same thing again with Crazy Coral. Make sure when you take the fully cured nail out of the lamp you leave the tacky layer on, because this is what the powder is going to stick to. In with Pure Orange, making sure to really load up that brush with a lot of the coloured powder. And just dabbing, patting and blending it out onto the nail. The same thing again with Chalk Brownie. Giving it a quick dust over just to remove any excess powder left behind. And now we're going to top coat all of this before we go in and paint our design just to protect it. In with the colour Serious Black. We're just creating a nice long stem. Now we're going to go in with Serious Black again and just create some smaller stems, just coming off that big stem. This is what our leaves are going to be attached to. In with the dotting tool just to create the base of that leaf. And then we're going to drag out 2 lines either side just to create a teardrop shape. And we're going to do all those same steps again on the other side. Using a very small liner brush just to drag out those dots we created with the dotting tool and making a teardrop shape. Now we're going to go in with Top Coat and Snow White and our gel palette. So we're going to add down a generous amount of top coat and a small amount of Snow White. We're going to mix this together and it's going to create a lovely milky white. And now we're going to paint it over the whole design. Pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and go in with the second layer. And now we're going to repeat the steps, creating a long black stem. And our little stem's coming off. And now we're going in again with our dotting tool to create the base of the leaf shape. And we're going to drag them out with our brush into a teardrop shape. And this will create all of our little leaves. Now we're going in with matte top coat, and this will finish off our design. And this is the finished design of the chalky layered leaf nail art. Doing the same steps across all 10 nails. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.